Welcome to QuizRex. Today, we're taking you on a thrilling safari into the wild world of land animals. With 30 mind-boggling questions, it's time to test your knowledge. Listen closely. What animal makes this sound? It's a tiger. Elephants can't jump. True or false? True. Due to their body structure, elephants are physically unable to jump. What's special about giraffes? It's B. Their tongue is long enough to clean their ears. Isn't that wild? Guess the movie from Emojis. It's Life of Pi. Quite the adventure, isn't it? What animal has the strongest bite force? It's the hippopotamus, with a bite force of around 1,800 psi, the strongest of any land animal. Would you rather be as fast as a cheetah or as strong as a gorilla? Share your choice in the comments. True or false? Kangaroos can walk backward. False. Kangaroos can't walk backward due to their tail and muscular legs. Name this animal. It's a pangolin, an incredible creature covered in scales. What's unique about sloths? It's A. Believe it or not, sloths can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes, longer than dolphins. Guess the movie from Emojis. It's Dumbo. That flying elephant stole our hearts. Which animal has a blue tongue? It's the Chow Chow. This dog breed has a naturally blue-black tongue. Would you rather understand what animals are thinking or have the ability to calm any wild animal instantly? Comment your choice below. We want to see what you'd pick. Which land animal can survive being frozen solid? It's the wood frog. It can freeze in winter, stop its heart, and thaw back to life in spring. What's the fear of animals called? It's zoophobia, the general fear of animals. The others? Cynophobia is fear of dogs, and ornithophobia is fear of birds. Guess the animal from this close-up image. It's a pangolin, the only mammal fully covered in scales. Which land animal can go the longest without drinking water? It's the kangaroo rat. It can survive its whole life without ever drinking water directly. True or false? An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. True. An ostrich's eye is about 2 inches across, bigger than its actual brain. What animal can't stick out its tongue? It's the crocodile. Their tongue is attached to the roof of their mouth. Guess the movie from Emojis. It's Zootopia, the city where predators and prey team up. Which animal's milk is pink in color? It's the hippopotamus. Their milk can look pink when it mixes with special skin secretions that protect them from the sun. What's the only big cat that can't roar? It's the cheetah. They can only chirp and purr. What's unique about camels? It's B. They can close their nostrils to keep out sand. Would you rather have the eyesight of an eagle or the hearing of a bat? Share your choice in the comments. True or false? A tiger's skin is striped, not just its fur. True. Even if you shaved a tiger, its skin would have stripes. Name the animal from the image. It's a meerkat. These little lookouts can spot predators from over 300 meters away. Guess the movie from Emojis. It's Madagascar. Did you spot all the main characters in those emojis? What's the largest species of bear? It's the polar bear, barely edging out the Kodiak in size. Both can stand over 10 feet tall, but polar bears are usually heavier on average. Which animal can sleep for 3 years straight? Believe it or not, it's the snail. Some species can hibernate for up to 3 years to survive harsh weather. Would you rather spend a week in tiger territory with food and water, or spend a week in the desert with camels but no map or supplies? Comment below and tell us why. True or false? Sloths are so slow that algae grows on their fur. True. The algae actually helps them blend into trees and even feeds some insects. How did you do? Let us know your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting quizzes every week. Hit the bell icon to never miss a challenge.